Today we're going to be removing this dirty old hand towel, which has been in this basement bathroom, and unboxing and installing this QUILO electric Hygienic hand dryer. Let's get right to it. You know how sometimes you walk into a bathroom and you look at the hand towel and it just looks gross? This is our basement bathroom hand towel. My kids and their friends, they come down here and play with slime and markers and glue and paint and you name it. And this is the hand towel that they use to dry off their hands. And it gets pretty nasty. So I started wondering, when I'm at the movie theater or a restaurant, they've always got those electric hand dryers, the Dyson or the other electric hand dryers. Did you know that they actually make electric hand dryers for home use now? I didn't either until a company reached out and asked if I wanted to try one. Of course I did. So today we're going to unbox and install it and see how it works. And honestly, this might become one of my favorite little gadgets down here. This is a QUILO Home Hygienic hand dryer. All right, let's open up the box. Inside the box, we've got a little cover plate here. What I assume are the instructions. Maybe a mounting bracket, and I definitely want to mount this on the wall. All right, this looks like probably a stand. If you wanted to put this as a countertop unit, you put this stand right there on the counter, put your hands under it. But I want to mount mine on the wall. Here's the unit itself. All right. Cool. All right, let's go find out which bathroom we're going to be installing this in. Okay, so in the box, you get the dryer itself, the wall mount, the cleat for the wall, the hardware, and the instructions. Nothing complicated. I'm very excited to take this away and replace it with this little guy. And isn't that just a fun little face that he's got? Looks like a robot. We're gonna go ahead and figure out where the studs are, figure out how this thing works, install it, give it a full review, and let you know if you should buy one too. Off. Put your hands under it. All right, this looks like a good product. Okay, let's install it. We're gonna set our timer. Start it right now. See how long this install takes. We've marked our 2 holes here. Our stud is right here. So we're just gonna do this in the drywall. I have some drywall anchors. Normally I would use a drill like this to put these drywall anchors in, but I know that not everyone uses power tools or has power tools, so today we're gonna go old school. And what I like to do is just get my Phillips screwdriver, place it on the spot, and on this other side as well. Okay, now we've got 2 holes. Now what we're gonna do is grab our anchors. Now we're going to get this little mounting bracket and 2 of the drywall anchor screws, and we'll go ahead and put this in. Now let's go ahead and grab our device and let's just slide it right down into that bracket. Clicks in place. We're done. I'm just gonna take another minute to kind of secure this guy, maybe around the back here, so that it's kind of hidden and it's out of our way. Okay, that's it. Less than 20 minutes in, we're installed and we're cleaned up. Now let's give it a whirl, see how this thing functions. Washing my hands. It's awesome. I would highly recommend this. From unboxing to fully installed, I had this thing up in under 20 minutes. And that even included me removing the old hand towel. Okay, the install is super simple. I used a small level to mark the placement on the wall where I wanted it. I held up the mounting cleat, I drilled in the 2 drywall anchors, and I screwed it into place. Then, the electric hand dryer just slides right onto that cleat, locks in, and plugs into a normal 110 outlet. I used a couple of zip ties to clean up the cord and to make it look hidden and finished. And really that's it. If you can hang a picture frame, you can install this thing in 20 minutes. All right, check this thing out. It fires right up, it is surprisingly strong, and not crazy loud. And my kids think that having an electric hand dryer at home is the coolest thing ever. Their friends walk in here and go, ooh, fancy! You've got one of those things that you would see in a public place right here in your home. And the big question, is it more hygienic? All in all, when you dry your hands with a shared hand towel, especially one used by kids all day long, you're basically wiping what's ever been on that towel back onto your clean hands after you wash them. Towels can stay damp, they trap dirt and moisture, and that creates a great environment for bacteria to hang out. Electric hand dryers avoid all of that. No shared surfaces, no moisture holding on to germs, no dirty towel in the mix. And in a high traffic bathroom, especially one with kids, that makes a noticeable difference. So for me, the big wins are 1, no more dirty hand towels. 2, less laundry, my wife thanks me. 3, fewer germs being spread. And this is so easy. It took less than 20 minutes to install this whole thing, and it's fun. The model I got runs at about $150, I'll link it below, and honestly for a bathroom that gets as much use as ours, that's a pretty great little upgrade. As always, thanks for watching, and if you're new to this channel, I post DIY projects, product reviews, and simple home upgrades every week. I'll see you in the next one.